We've edited our menu and how it displays by putting blog at the end of that list versus being in front of home. Our next thing is to write and publish our first post. That's going to be an important thing if you're going to utilize this blog feature. Now, not all sites use a blog, but I think it's good enough to a good enough thing for us to try. And so we're going to go here in the dashboard to posts. Let's go ahead to click to all posts, and we see that our first post is called Hello World. In fact, if we go over here to our blog page, which we're currently on, we'll see Hello World is our first post. If we click that, we see that the title is Hello World and it says Welcome to WordPress. This is your first post. Edit it or delete it to take that first step in your blogging journey. So what we're going to do is we're going to first go in and create a new. We're not going to edit this one. Editing, we'll talk about that in a second. We're going to create our own first new blog post. So how do we do that? We add a post. You can click add a post down here, but we are going to click here, add a post. That's going to reload into our post editor. We're going to give this post a title. Here is my real first post. All right. And of course, you might want text in here. Here is some text for my blog post. And as I do that, and as I write text for a blog post, I'm going to get ChatGPT to write a quick blog post so you can see this. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to copy and paste. I'm going to create a how-to guide bullet list or numbered list that is actually my how-to guide. So I'm going to create that real quick. And then I am going to, all right, now that it's done, I'm going to paste it right in here. And that was the extra text there at the end. So I'm going to take that right there out. There we go. So here is my how-to guide. Here's a clean, no nonsense walkthrough to get a free WordPress site online fast. And so there we go. I now have this as a tool that you can have as your first blog post. Okay, so now I've got my first blog post. Now what do I do? Here, we're currently in the draft status. If we publish, we're going to publish immediately. You can actually say, you know what, not immediately. I want it to be published tomorrow or the next day. I want it to be published at 3:12 p.m. on the, currently that's today right now, but it's currently in draft status. The slug, here's slug. I'm not going to talk about what that is. It's useful, but it's only useful really to search engines. The template and all this sort of stuff. Sure, go through and look at this. This is totally excellent stuff to review and get excellent on. But once I'm done, just like a web page, I have to click publish, and it's going to do the same behavior where I can cancel or publish. I'm going to go ahead and say, let's go, publish that. So now, once that's done there, and this reloads, and it's going to ask, hey, do you want to add some tags? You know what? Sure, add these tags. There we go. The tags are added. But now when we go back to our blog, when we click on blog, we are now going to see Hello World, and then here's my first real blog post. You know what? I want to go in and I want to edit this blog post right here. So I'm going to go back to my editor, and I'm going to edit this one. And let's just say I want to change the text. Here is new text for an, how about this? Here is edited for an article or a blog post. Okay, so now we've done that. Let's imagine we saw some typos. We go back in and we correct those and we hit save. Now that that is saved, I come back over here and hit refresh. And then I click on Hello World, and now we've got our new text. Okay? So what I would like for you to do is just go in and play with the blog post. It's a great place to put content in. Yes, you can build websites. Use AI to generate good text. And you can actually start driving traffic simply by making sure your text answers questions and offers value to somebody who might find it. But a blog post is a great thing to do. Here's your assignment. I want you to go through and have your website built out to as at least much as we have. I want you to take screenshots along the way. Okay? Take your screenshots along the way. And then I want you to tidy it up and try to get yours to where you feel it's as good as possible. If you want to add a few more pages than what we currently have here, that would be fine. And I want to see your websites on display on Monday, and then we're going to start talking about the building of our how-to guide. All right? So I will see you guys on Monday, and I hope you are enjoying yourself so far. See ya.